Hello and welcome back everyone to our channel Gaming Basics, and in today's video I'm going to teach you guys how you guys can recruit gang members in your GTA San Andreas game. So once you're in a game and you're in your home turf, and after that you can see gang members just like that, you need to go over to them and just point your gun at them or look at them. So after you have done that, it shows that in your right hand screen that if you want to accept or decline. It also says that recruit or ignore. So you just need to press on your up arrow in your keyboard, and after you have done that, you have recruited them. You can also recruit this guy. And so after you have recruited them, if you go in a car, so suppose I'm going in this car, that gang member will also join the car. And if I go out of the and he also shoots with me. So as you guys can see, this guy protects me, he comes in my car, and he is now a gang member with me. So that's how you guys can recruit gang members in your game. So thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our next video. Also, if there is any video that you guys want us to do, please let us know down in the comment section and we will do so for you guys. So thank you for watching and see you guys next time.